Dubai on a dime, foodie adventures for under 20 dirhams. Dubai, a city of dazzling skyscrapers, luxurious experiences, and surprisingly affordable eats. Forget breaking the bank. We're diving headfirst into Dubai's hidden culinary gems, where flavor explodes and your wallet stays happy. Get ready for a taste adventure as we explore the best food in Dubai for under 20 dirhams. Okay, so the challenge has been set. That's right, the city of Dubai is our ticket to foodie paradise. We're on a mission to prove you can experience the incredible diversity of Dubai's food scene without emptying your pockets. From sizzling street food to hidden local spots, we're uncovering the tastiest deals in town. Stop 1. Ravi Restaurant, Pakistani Delights, Satwa. Our first stop takes us to the legendary Ravi Restaurant in Satwa. This place is an institution, serving up authentic Pakistani cuisine at prices that will blow your mind. For less than 20 dirhams, you can feast on their famous chicken tikka, flavorful dal, and fluffy roti. The spices are incredible. This is comfort food at its finest, and it's a steal. Stop 2. Street shawarma, the signature food. No Dubai food adventure is complete without indulging in a classic shawarma. These juicy, flavorful wraps are everywhere, and you can easily snag one for under 10 dirhams. This is the perfect on-the-go snack, packed with flavor and incredibly satisfying. Stop 3. Manouche, Lebanese flatbreads, various locations. Next up, we're diving into the world of manouche, a delicious Lebanese flatbread. Whether you're craving cheese, za'atar, or minced meat, you can find a variety of these savory treats for under 15 dirhams. This za'atar manouche is so simple yet so flavorful. The perfect breakfast or light lunch. Stop 4. Falafel, vegetarian delight, various locations. For our vegetarian friends, falafel is a must-try. These crispy golden chickpea fritters are packed with protein and flavor, and you can get a delicious falafel sandwich for under 10 dirhams. The crunch, the softness, the tangy sauce. This is a flavor explosion in every bite. So there you have it. Proof that you can eat like a king or queen in Dubai without breaking the bank. What are your favorite budget-friendly eats in Dubai? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Dubai food adventures. Thanks for watching Living and Learning UAE.